Me I'll do this with my hand out. Me I do this morning. So this morning I wake up. So that comment there, which me not find it funny or anything. So I was ignorant when I was taking up the phone. I dropped my iPhone 11 Pro Max and cracked the screen just because of this person up here. So, number one, nobody can tell what go happen to them in a life. Nobody can tell what go happen to them in a life. I'ma lose my hand 1 year, 1.5 years now in a car accident. I never asked for this either. I never asked for this. I never asked to lose my hand. So when this person texts me a comment under my video, I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed about myself. I am not ashamed about who I am. Because what happened already, happened already. And I can never change back your hands at time. But for somebody like you, we feel like, say, you can come discriminate people because you have your two on. Let me tell you this. Karma is a bitch. You hear? Karma is a bitch. So just because everything alright in your life doesn't mean, say, by you troubling somebody else, God won't backfire upon you. Last person here discriminate somebody with HIV. Discriminate them couple months after them find out say them have HIV. If you see where me I go. I now wish no bad prayer upon you or nothing. But I'ma tell you this, whosoever you be, I am a survivor. Me stronger than you. And me is a strong black woman. Which you can never ever get that title. Because if you end up in a crash, just the first lick of that car go and kill you. I mean not ask Christ. So you see, all you come and try discriminate me or make me look like me a handicap or something, just wait, because karma is a bitch.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What other than heartless, cruel and vile could be used to describe a person who would say such a thing to a human being in that young lady's situation? You know what we get for realizing this generation? Empathy does not exist. Because if you see a person who lose a hand, lose a foot, or some part of them body is injured, people used to at least have a little bit of sympathy or empathy. But nowadays, people say and do anything to another human being without caring how that person is going to feel. But as the girl said, karma is a bitch. And that person there, trust me, you're going to get your karma. Because that is just heartless, cruel, and vile. Which brings me to the next video that I'm about to let you see in a family. Because this mother is venting over the fact that a teacher, yes, a teacher, left her 6-year-old child for being hungry for 8 hours in the classroom. Now family, we know say hungry is not an easy thing for beer, right? And the worst kind of hunger is when you're hungry and see other people around you eat and you not eat. And as adults, we kind of can bear hungry. But imagine a 6-year-old family. Sad. Take a listen to this mother venting right here at the fact that a teacher leave her 6-year-old child to bear hunger in the classroom for 8 hours.
Now I have something to talk about, and I'm gonna say it because it could happen to anybody's child. It could be anybody's child that this happened to. Yesterday my son came home and he said, the first thing he said when he came home was, "Mommy, these teachers are evil." I laugh and I say, "What do you mean by the teachers are evil?" He said, "Mommy, I didn't get any lunch today at school." I said, "What?" He said, "No, I didn't get any lunch." I said, "Did you tell the teacher that you didn't get any lunch?" He said, "Yes." He went to the teacher and said, "Miss, I haven't got any lunch." And the teacher reply was, "I'm not going to give you any lunch because I didn't pay for it." No, be minded, I pay for these kids' lunch 2 weeks in advance. Whether or not I've paid for it 2 weeks in advance, my son said to me, "Mommy, my classmate says to me, Gemma, why are you not eating?" Gemma sat in that classroom for the entire day without any lunch to eat. A 6-year-old baby sat in the corner of a classroom without no lunch to eat for the entire day. Now you're telling me that you couldn't look at that baby, that 6-year-old baby, and give him the lunch and say you might listen. I say, "Okay, I'm gonna call your mother because you have my number." Call your mother and say, "Okay, I'm gonna ensure that I make sure your mother know about this and I will reimburse you the balance." You're telling me you're so heartless of a mother that you sit down as a teacher and watch a 6-year-old baby sit in the corner of a classroom, oh God, man, and eat nothing for 8 hours. Jesus, God, how comes mankind becomes so heartless? Teachers are the one of those who I know they are called, but because of money and greed, you ever tell me say you couldn't give a child a lunch and even call the parent and say, "Listen, the child is not eating any lunch. What am I supposed to do?" And then the craziest thing about it, I paid for that lunch. They miscalculated it, and you're saying, I am upset and I'm hurt. I'm hurt more than how I'm upset. I cried yesterday and I prayed out loud. I'm saying, is this still happening? It could be anybody's child. Could I be a teacher teaching the grade 1 class with the babies and watch a child go without food for 8 hours? Jesus, God, what kind of heart you have, woman? Are you a mother? Are you a mother? Jesus. Hey, telling you, heartless act. Heartless act.
Now the only problem me find with this, is that me wish the mother did highlight which school it was and the name of the teacher so everybody could have known which teacher this was when I have no heart towards a 6-year-old. Family, you talk to me in the comment section, make me know what you think about this. Because, trust me, when I came across the video, it made me so upset. If you know what I say, a teacher could do that to a student. A 6-year-old child at that. Talk to me in the comment section. Jano. Now, family, let me introduce you to the artist here. The artist goes by the name Himfluence. Himfluence with a H. Take a look at sneak peek at that track here.
Watch it make me burn a spliff. Me friend them say as me sit down a spliff. Some say them a go buy but me don't have it. So make me tell the eye them will become a beat. Whoa, watch it make me burn a spliff. Me friend them say as me sit down a spliff. Some say them a go buy but me don't have it. So make me tell the eye them will become a beat.
Now the song named Spliff, and it's on every musical platform where music can be sold. So family, you can go check out Spliff, right? I tell you now, when me see Himfluence song, the official music video, the first thing will come to mind is that, yo, me notice it dep on a old school type beat. And I know every nowadays artist can ride a old school beat. You agree with me? Yeah, but Himfluence don't have the problem there. That's what me observe. Very first thing me observe. The man just dep on the beat like the beat was made for him song. Well, it probably was made for the song.
And me plant it and me nurse it and turn it in a cash. And me steam it and me cook it, eat it out a calabash. Then me got it in a me house, in a me car a stash. Me got it in a me garments, in a me clothes a wash.
Now the rhythm name Black Dub Rhythm and is a bad asset music production. Listen, no go hear the whole of the man song Panda channel because him have him own channel over here on YouTube too. And him channel name Himfluence Music. The link I got in the description. Just click the link, go over there, check out the video, and it'll get some traffic right now. So you can go over there and go add to the traffic too. When you go over there, make sure you leave a comment and make him know say Unstoppable TV send you over there. Zane, Himfluence Music. Check out another little piece of Himfluence. Big song, bonus spliff.
I love this sensimania. And me tell them say, watch it make me bonus spliff. Me friend them say as me sit down a spliff. Some say them a go buy but me don't have it. So make me tell the eye them will become a beat. Whoa.
Alright, Unstoppable family, talk to me in the comment section. Make me know what you think about bonus spliff. Make me know what you think about the very first video when me drop where the young lady I talk about the comment what that artless person left. And also tell me in the comment section what you think about how the teacher handled the situation with the 6-year-old. See it? Me go look out for no comment. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.